See?
Is this your good luck charm? Oh, what's his name? Uni. Okay, listen, let's go out there and show him what you got. High five. All right, go out there and give it to him.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, sweetheart. What's your name?
Iman.
Iman?
Yeah.
Where are you from?
From Northport, Florida.
Right on.
Yeah.
And how old are you?
I'm 10.
You're 10?
Yeah. I'm so nervous.
Are you here with your parents?
Yeah, I'm here with my parents and my brothers.
And your brothers. Are
Yeah.
you the only girl in your family?
Yeah.
Oh, so you're the angel?
Sometimes.
Or are you the devil? And what do your parents do?
Well, my dad owned an ice cream factory. Yeah.
Best job ever.
Yeah.
Do you get to go in there and pick all your favorite flavors?
Yeah.
What's your favorite flavor?
Salted caramel, coffee, and chocolate chip mint. Yeah.
Literally my favorites. We're on a good start. Okay, and let's see what you got.